best large sports sedans for 2024 Audi S8. In the realm of large sports sedans, the 2024 Audi S8 emerges as a standout choice, epitomizing the perfect fusion of high-performance driving dynamics, luxurious comfort, and cutting-edge technology. As the flagship model in Audi's S lineup, the S8 exemplifies the brand's commitment to delivering exhilarating driving experiences without compromising on refinement or sophistication. Powering the 2024 Audi S8 is a formidable twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine, generating a staggering 563 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. Mated to a responsive 8-speed automatic transmission and Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, the S8 delivers breathtaking acceleration and seamless power delivery, propelling it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 3.5 seconds. Whether cruising on the highway or navigating winding mountain roads, the S8 offers unparalleled performance and dynamic handling that inspires confidence behind the wheel. The S8's dynamic capabilities are further enhanced by its advanced chassis and suspension systems. Audi's adaptive air suspension with predictive active suspension ensures exceptional ride comfort and precise handling, effortlessly soaking up bumps and imperfections while maintaining composed agility through corners. Additionally, the S8 features dynamic all-wheel steering and sport differential, further enhancing its agility and responsiveness on the road. Visually, the 2024 Audi S8 exudes an understated yet commanding presence, with its sleek design elements and subtle sporty accents. Its exterior features a bold single-frame grille, LED headlights, and quad exhaust outlets, hinting at its performance-oriented character. Riding on 21-inch alloy wheels, the S8 boasts a sporty stance that commands attention wherever it goes. Inside the cabin, the S8 offers a luxurious and technologically advanced environment, with premium materials and cutting-edge amenities. The interior boasts Velcona leather upholstery, heated and ventilated front seats with massage functionality, and a leather-wrapped steering wheel with paddle shifters. The S8 is equipped with Audi's latest MMI infotainment system, which includes a dual touchscreen display, navigation, smartphone integration, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system, ensuring connectivity and entertainment on the go. Safety features are also a top priority in the 2024 Audi S8. The sedan comes equipped with Audi's suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a top-view camera system. Additionally, the S8 offers available features such as night vision assistant and intersection assist for added peace of mind. In conclusion, the 2024 Audi S8 offers a compelling blend of performance, luxury, and technology in the large sports sedan segment. With its powerful engine, dynamic handling, and upscale amenities, the S8 delivers an exhilarating driving experience that is sure to impress even the most discerning enthusiasts.